Hey, what's going on there, everybody? You're watching and you're listening to Tech Wares. Today is October 1st, 2024. AMD Radeon Software Adrenalin 24.9.1 has been released. All right, this is the graphics driver for AMD Radeon graphics cards or APUs, integrated graphics, whatever you want to call it. So this is a WHQL driver, all right, WHQL. If you have ever seen this, it means that the driver has been certified by Windows. So this is not a beta driver. It is a final Windows certified driver, and it was just released actually a few hours ago. All right. So what this driver brings, it brings optimized gaming support, new game support for games that have just been released recently. And this is for Frostpunk 2. All right, Frostpunk 2, God of War Ragnarok, Warhammer 40K, Space Marine 2, The Sims 4, all right, the DirectX 11 update. All right, and also AMD Fluid Motion Frames or AFMF 2 is now officially part of the AMD Radeon Adrenalin software suite, right? And what it does is brings major advancement in frame generation, frame gen tech for AMD Hyper RX or HYPR RX. All right, it does a lot of cool things. Lowers latency and it gives high performance. You get fast motion optimization, improved borderless full screen support, expanded API support, which is it enables across OpenGL, Vulkan, API, DX11, and DX12 games. Also, Radeon Chill Interoperability. I don't know how to say that word, but AFMF2 supports Radeon Chill. Okay. Also, it's optimized for AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processors, right? Also, AMD Radeon Anti-Lag 2, Vulkan support for CS2 is here. Geometric downscaling for video. This driver is actually really good. It brings a lot. So if you're on an AMD Radeon GPU, make sure you get this driver. All right, this is a very good driver. It's a huge driver. It also fixed a bunch of issues across multiple games. Also just general fixes, and here's just a list of known issues that AMD has released publicly. Of course, there's more issues, but these are just the ones that they decided to release with their driver notes. Okay, so now the compatibility for this driver, all right, so it's not supported on every AMD Radeon GPU. It's only compatible with kind of the newest, right? So Radeon 7000 series, 6000 series, and 5000 series, all supported. Okay, also for mobile, Radeon 6000 series, 6000M series, also 5000M series, and for the integrated Radeon 700M and Radeon 600M. So if you're on an AMD Radeon graphics card that is of course compatible, make sure you get the driver. All right, once again, AMD Fluid Motion Frames AFMF2 is now part of the official Adrenalin driver. It used to be in beta. Now it's part of the full driver. So yeah, big graphics driver release for all the AMD Radeon GPU graphics users. All right, take care, everyone. Peace.